Hi, it's John here, and this is just an updated video on Honeygain. So I've reached my first milestone and I can withdraw my first $20. So we're just going to go through that together and make sure it actually does work. So Honeygain, if you haven't seen my previous video, is basically the easiest way I've found to actually earn passive income. You can download Honeygain on Windows, on your Android phone, or your Mac or iOS, and you can even run it on a Docker instance on Linux. So it's pretty much available to run anywhere you like. And what it does is basically share your internet connection and reward you for doing so. So if you go through their docs here, you can see exactly where your internet connection is being used. Discover more, and we can see here it's used for SEO and web stats, brand protection, ad verification, app testing, content delivery, and price comparison. So that's all you need to know really. It's a safe and very, very easy way to earn some passive income. So I've put an affiliate link in the description. If you sign up with my link, you get $5 added to your account straight away. So it's definitely worth doing. It gives you a nice head start in your earnings. So if we just go into the dashboard now, you can see when you get to 20,000 credits, you can get your first payout, or at least request. I haven't actually done my honey jar today. So this is basically the daily reward that you can get. So I'm going to click on it here. And you can win up to 10,000 credits. Let's see what we get. It's probably going to be 10, isn't it? Oh, we actually got 50 credits today, so that's pretty good. Let's add those to our account. Like I said, you can get up to 10,000 credits. The most I've had, I think, was 200, so that was quite a nice one. But if I refresh the page now, we can see here my winnings appeared. So I've already earned nearly 1,000 credits today. Now you can refer other people when you sign up, and they too will get the $5 from your own account, so that's good to know. But let's try this payout request and see what happens. So again, this is the first time I've done this. This is the first time I've used Honeygain. So we're going to go through this together. Right, so here is the payout request screen, and you can choose your payout to be either PayPal or Bitcoin. I'm going to do the PayPal one in this video, but I'm just going to click Bitcoin and click continue just to see exactly what comes up. I imagine that most people who do this are maybe younger people who just do it on their phone. There's a bit of pocket money, I guess. I'm going to do Bitcoin and we'll just see if it just requests. Yeah, so it's just requesting your BTC wallet address. So if you did a Bitcoin payout, it would be there. Pop that in and then confirm. So I'm going to go back and we're going to do a PayPal one and we'll just see how that works. I'm going to click continue here. Are you ready to collect your earnings? So I've earned $20.89 since November. Now just say it takes 48 hours to process payout requests, so be patient. So let's give it a try. It's going to ask for a security check before continuing, so I'm going to just type that in now. And then submit code. Okay, and it is now on its way. So it's saying it's done by a partner called Tipalti, and in 48 hours I'll receive further instructions to my email. So I'm guessing they will send an email with details because it hasn't asked for my PayPal address at all. So as soon as I get that email, I shall continue the video and we will go from there. Right, so it's the following day and I have had my confirmation email from the payout for Honeygain. So this came in this morning and this is less than 24 hours after I did the request. So that's the sort of time you can expect to receive your confirmation email to register on Tipalti.com. And this is how we're going to get our PayPal payment. So it just says register on the portal by clicking the link, fill in the personal details required to execute the payment, give your desired PayPal account address. It doesn't need to match your Honeygain account, and then wait for the payment confirmation. So we're going to go through those steps now and just see how it goes. Right, so I'm going to fill in my details here and I'll click register. Okay, and now we have registered, we can click to log in. It's asking us to select our country for verification. So I'm going to select mine in the list. I'll stick my mobile number in. Going to pop in my verification code when it arrives, and it has just popped up. Okay, so now it's asking me to fill in my personal information here, so I shall just do that as well. Right, okay, so now it's asking us for the payment method. So the other one we can select here is PayPal, obviously. So it's saying here there's going to be a transaction fee of 2% of the amount plus $2. So the currency trading fee here is going to be 3%, or well, 1.9 to 3%. So you're actually losing quite a bit of your payment if you do it via PayPal. But we'll see how much we get anyway in the end. I don't think we can really get around the fact we're going to be charged a fee when converting. So I'll leave it at GBP here, but you could select US dollars or obviously whatever currency you have in your country. So obviously put in your PayPal email address. I'm going to stick in my PayPal details here as well. Just say to make sure you enter them exactly as they appear on your PayPal account under your profile menu. So just double check you have checked that name. I'm going to click agree here and then click next. Okay, so we're now all done and set. So I've had an email from Honeygain just saying welcome to the Payouts portal here. So that was just a few minutes ago, but we're waiting for an email confirmation that we've been paid. So I shall stop the video, and as soon as I get that email, I shall record again and we'll see how long that takes. Right, so we're back on another day. It's now the 15th of December and I've just had a payment sent to my PayPal account from Swarmbyte. So the total was £13.52. So if I go to my PayPal account here, you can see the details of the transaction. So we don't see how much the conversion rate was, but we can see here $30.52, and if we convert, I think it was around $21 into pounds, that was around just under £16. So we've lost a few pounds basically going via PayPal. So obviously if you did a Bitcoin withdrawal, then you're likely just to face a transaction fee probably on the Bitcoin chain itself. So in the future I will definitely be just withdrawing straight to my Bitcoin wallet, but this was just a test just to make sure it did actually come through to your PayPal account. So I'm quite happy that's come through okay. I can now withdraw that and spend that on, what could I buy with that? Probably a couple of coffees with that. But if I get back into my Honeygain account now, do my daily reward, the 10 credits. So you can see here I've got my 4 active devices running. Now these were only onboarded a couple of days ago when I had my new internet connection set up, so they've only done a small amount of data gathering. But you can see actually the other 2 have done quite well in the last 14 days. This time here is the content delivery time. So this one has spent 13 hours and this one spent 9 hours 45 doing content delivery. So you don't get a huge amount extra from content delivery, but it is worth turning on your computer if you can. That doesn't work on the phone app sadly, but it's worth knowing if you do have it on your PC or your Mac, then just turn it on to earn that bit extra. So we can see I'm already nearly 30% towards my next payout. I will be doing it via Bitcoin next time just to avoid those PayPal fees, but at least we know that the PayPal withdrawal does work. And like I said, this is money I didn't have before. Yep, I'm not going to be a millionaire, and like with most of these things, you're not going to be a millionaire anytime soon, but for basically letting your computer run the app in the background or your phone, you can't really complain at getting free money. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do click on the like button and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm making as many passive income videos as I can when I find new projects. And like I said, if you do click on the affiliate link down below to sign up to Honeygain, you do get $5 added to your account instantly. So it's definitely worth doing just to give you a bit of a boost to your initial Honeygain pot. So if you have any questions or comments, do leave them down below and I'll do my best to help where I can. And I'd just like to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.